Hey guys, what's up? Sorry I'm doing a video so late. My bow and arrow kind of, well, snapped, so I'm trying to get that fixed so I can do the video. I really hate this snowstorm that's gonna, I got stuck in it earlier coming home from somewhere, and I really hope you guys are okay in this. So just you know, checking up on you guys and saying if I can, I'll be doing another video when I get home from horse riding tomorrow, if I can get there because of the snow. Oh, it's actually stopped. That's nice. Say love and night. There's my girl. You say hello. Making Doritos. Anyway, no, she's too tired tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow and try and not get stuck in the storm. Bye. Meow.